Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on your Netflix account. Changing or updating your password on Netflix is a super easy process. First of all, open up a web browser and log into netflix.com. Once you're signed into your Netflix account, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your profile avatar. In the expanded menu, click on Account. Now from the Accounts option, go to Security from the left-hand menu. Click on Password under Security. Under Change Password, go to the first text box and enter your current password for your account. On the next field, enter the new password you want to change to. Re-enter the new password in the last field. And for your security, if you want to sign out of all devices that has been logged in with this particular credential, you can check this little box at the bottom and click on Save in order to change your password for Netflix. Now every time you sign into your account, you will need to enter the newly updated password to access your Netflix account. So that is how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.